Welcome to this nighttime guided meditation, where we rest easy. We fall asleep with a clear sense of gratitude in our bodies. Remember, this whole month has been focused upon gratitude. Gratitude is a catchphrase these days, but really and truly, it has its own phenomenal vibration that if you practice it every single night before you fall asleep, do you know your subconscious mind will help you to simply live a lifestyle of gratitude? Remember, practice this meditation only when you are in a safe place to do so. Do not listen if you are driving or operating any heavy machinery. There are 7 days remaining, so that we will get a move on it and practice our lifestyle of gratitude. Let us begin. As you sit, recline, or lay where you are, begin by stretching the body. We stretch the body to relieve it of any tension that we may have stored in it throughout the day. Stretch your body now, arms up above the head, toes pointed. Stretch your body as far as you can go. That's it. Stretch, stretch, stretch it out. And then simply allow it to sag. That's it. Allow your body to sag. Good job. Now scan your body. Does it feel tense anywhere else? Stretch your body once more. That's it. Nice big stretch all the way as far as you can go. And now let your body simply sag. That feels nice. Yes, it does. Now a yawn to help you. That yawn helps you to relax your eyebrows, your lips, your tongue, your cheeks, the jaws, your throat, your neck. That's it. See your shoulders. Allow them to simply just relax. Perhaps you've been wearing them like earrings all the way up by your ears. Allow them to sag. Let your shoulders simply sag. Good job. Now allow the arms and the hands and the fingers to relax as well. Indeed. That's it. Allow the belly to relax too. You see, we tend to hold a lot of tension in the belly, but let it relax. Let your belly just relax. And how about the buttocks? We've been walking, standing, sitting, running all day long. Allow it to just relax. Allow the glutes, max, min, and med, to relax. Now the thighs, your knees, your legs, your feet, your toes. Let them relax as well. Very good. Feels nice, doesn't it? What a beautiful way to usher in the ebb of the day. The law of rhythm, yes. An ebb and a flow. We flowed all day. Now let us gently retreat into the ebb, where revitalization happens. Rest, ease, and relaxation happens. That's it. take a moment to just simply allow yourself to relax. That's it. You notice that your breathing has begun to slow itself down. And yes, it has even become a little deeper and more steady. See that inhale through the nose and that gentle exhale through the nose. Very good. Continue to breathe in that fashion. Inhale through the nose, that cool air. And as it is warmed by your body, simply exhale through your nose. That's it. Take your time and allow your body's natural breathing rhythm to emerge. That's it. Good job. Take a moment to just simply lay there in the silence. That's it. You're doing so well. Good job. Now, the mind. Do you recall a time where you were grateful for something that you received? And you felt warm, didn't you? You felt appreciated. Do you remember that time? Maybe you were the giver, and you saw the gratitude in the eyes of the person you embraced. Do you remember such a time? Well, if you do, bring up that sensation again of gratitude in your body. Take your time with it. You'll begin to feel that gratitude as it springs up in your body and it begins to spread. You'll feel it. That's it. Good job. And once you have that sensation of gratitude in your body, lay there with it. Just lay there with that gratitude in your body and allow it to spread through your body. That's it. Good job. With every inhale through your nose, feel that gratitude. And with every exhale, spread that gratitude throughout your body. That's it. Do it again. Inhale the gratitude. And then exhale as it spreads through your body. It is beautiful, isn't it? Just inhale and exhale that gratitude over and over again. That's it. Continue to allow your body to relax. Good job. That gratitude does feel lovely in the body. Every cell, every fiber in your body is responding to that held sensation of gratitude. if you could see the light around your body that holding that gratitude emits, you'd be amazed at its beauty. Indeed. That's it. Just allow that gratitude to flow in and through your body. Good. You begin to notice that your body is getting heavy, yes? Oh, it's getting heavy. And it's getting heavier. Why is that? Because your subconscious mind, she emerges. And she gently whispers your name. What gift have you for me on this lovely evening, she says. And your response is simply, why? I have this offering of gratitude. She gently accepts your beautiful offering of gratitude. And you know that in her hands, whatever you place there is held in the greatest care. She fully accepts your gratitude. And your body becomes heavier and heavier. And your eyes begin to drift closed. That's it. Continue to allow your body to relax as you begin to surrender. See, your subconscious mind, she takes your gratitude and she gently whispers, thank you for your beautiful offering. And she slowly recedes into the ebb. That's it. Surrender. Surrender to sleep. Rest in the comfort of knowing that the gift you have bestowed upon your subconscious mind, the gift you have bestowed upon her has been accepted. It has been accepted. And as you go through your waking day, your subconscious mind, she'll gently whisper. She'll whisper your name as she presents you with a gift that matches the gratitude you gave her the night before. Oh yes, it is beautiful, isn't it? What a beautiful experience that she presents you with. One that you say, thank you. How beautiful. Oh, she is faithful, isn't she? Your beautiful subconscious mind. She always gives back to you 100-fold the beauty that you give her. She prefers that you give her beautiful things. She loves the beautiful gratitude, and she gives it right back to you in the form of beautiful experiences. Surrender to the beauty of sleep. That's it. Simply surrender into the arms of rest. Let that sweet sleep begin to gently rock you in her bosom. That's it. Gently rock you. That sweet sleep. Let sweet sleep soothe you. That's it. Let her soothe you. That's it. How beautiful. Continue to surrender to the beauty of sleep so that you are well rested, rejuvenated, and invigorated and clear of mind when you awaken in the morning. That's it. How beautiful. Surrender to the beauty